How to play YouTube while your screen is off on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can play YouTube songs, videos or any type of stuff on your Android phone even when your screen is actually turned off. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, in order to do that, we will not use the web application. So instead what we will do is we will use the web version of YouTube. So go ahead and open Chrome browser or any browser that you have on your phone. Once you open your browser, you just want to go to youtube.com. So I'll just go ahead and then type in youtube.com. As you type in youtube.com, by default it will take you to the mobile interface. So what I will do is I will tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and select the option called desktop site. This will actually request a desktop site for YouTube application. Now you can see the desktop interface of the application. Now you can just go ahead and then open up any of the videos over here. Once you open up videos, as you can see, just pause the video as well if you want to. So I'll just skip the ad first of all. Once I skip the ad, I'll just pause the video. As you can see, now I'll exit out of my home screen, and when you swipe down a notification quick settings, you can see the play button. Now you can simply play it and you can hear the audio, which means that YouTube is still working in the background. Now you can use any other apps. This also works, by the way, if you're using and turning off your device. Once you turn on your device, you can see that play button. You can just tap on it in order to play the audio. This is how you can use YouTube while your screen is off on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.